This is how to top up. So let's assume that you had $100 or $200, then you want to top up. Now in this business, if you really want to enjoy tag, top up with you should have $250. Then have at least 4 persons that have done $250 and above. That's when you start seeing real money in tag. Okay, so we are all working towards having at least $250 in our account. So you want to top up now. All you need to do is click on that 3 dotted line, the one you used when you were doing your initial deposit. Then you click on copy as. That is down. You click on copy as. Then this if you are using a laptop, you see it follow up, but since you're using phone, you see it like that icon. Click on it, then you see follower up. So that follower up now, when you click on your follower up, you come here and click on strategy. Okay, you will scroll down a little bit and click on strategies. So it will show you the strategies you are following. Okay, it will show you the strategies you are following. So this is Sonic and this is new. So I want to fund my new. I want to top up my new with what I have. So now all I need to do is to click on deposit, this deposit. So I can see that I even have made $20-something, $29, and I have to reinvest it if I want to. So the way it works, your profit will be there for you. You are the one that will choose if you want to reinvest. You are the one that will choose if you want to reinvest your profits. You are the one that will choose. Okay, I think it's showing me how much I invested. Anyway, let me do the top up. I'll come back to this one. So now I want to top up my account. I'll come back to that we invest. Let me top up first. So all I will do is to click on deposit. Now I have $83. I have $83. So I'm going to put $83, which is what I have in my account. So I'll click on deposit. So that's it. It's as simple as that. So you click on that icon that is like human being. When you go to copy as, you click on follower up. That icon will bring follower up. Then you scroll down a bit, you click on strategy, then you click on deposit, put the amount you want to deposit. So before now I had only 520 here. Now I have $605. Okay. So sorry, I got distracted with the reinvest. Okay, so that's how to top up. So let's assume, so this is actually where your profit will also be in. This is where you also be seeing your profit, apart from you coming here to deposit. And the beautiful part of, let me quickly go back. The beautiful part about that deposit is that it will also be 24x, because that's one question a lot of you ask. Is it going to still be 24? Yes, it will still be 24x. So I deposited 83 now, and I have $14,000 now. So it will still be 24x. So let me quickly talk about, let me see how many minutes is this. Okay, let me quickly talk about, okay, I could even put it on YouTube. Let me really see, let's talk about your deposit. So the way I know my profit is I click on withdraw as if I want to withdraw my profit. It helps me to know how much I have left. Okay, so you can see now available profit is $7. Meanwhile, I'm seeing this PNL here. This is all the total profit I have enjoyed. So available profit now is $7. So when I click on withdraw, it helps me to know available profit. Okay, so that's it. So that's what I do. So let me click on withdraw on, because I am also doing Sonic. Okay, so for Sonic now I have $16 to withdraw, which I am not ready to withdraw yet. Okay, I'm not ready to withdraw yet. I can actually reinvest. Let's see. Let me click on reinvest. Use your profit to increase your amplify account. Please note your trading days timer will reset to 0. I don't understand though. Your trading days timer will reset to 0. So I will need to find out the meaning of this. I need to find out the meaning of this if I want to reinvest. My trading day timer will set to 0. I'm going to click this now. Let me go and find out from those who know. Okay, so basically that's how to top up. So for those who want to top up, you can go ahead and top up. Why? Maybe I'll do another video on this we invest. Let me go and find out first. So that's it, as simple as that.